So here we are, almost in 2022. And as business owners, we all sit and try to figure out what can we do to our business to make it better for this year. And that's why I'm coming to you here. I'm Dori Suka, founder of InSPAration Management, and I'm here to invite you to join us for this great complimentary webinar we are doing. It's called Leap into 2022 Success. This webinar is totally complimentary, and I'm going to go over success principles that you need to implement to truly have a great year. Now, I love doing the Leap Ahead seminar because it's such a phenomenal event. Literally, you will receive an A to Z blueprint on how to operate your business successfully. And the people who have attended, as a matter of fact, we've had thousands of people graduate from the Leap Ahead because it's one of our first seminars that we actually did. Now, of course, it's been revamped over and over the years. And now we're ready to show you new strategies that apply for 2022. So even if you've attended the Leap Ahead previously, it would be wise to come back and actually join us again so you can refresh, revise, do some adaptation, some new implementation so you can fine-tune your operation. And I'd love for you to join us first for the webinar because that's going to be a great preview for you of what you could actually expect during the Leap Ahead and how we expand on all the different strategies that we teach. So we go over what we call the 4 S's. In every business, you have to have systems, structure, strategies, and solution. You'll actually walk away with this entire Leap Ahead binder where this 3-day event focuses on all aspects of your business. So the entire first day we spend on marketing to teach you all different marketing strategies so you can increase traffic flow and also your capacity. On the second day, we talk about a financial model, how important it is to have a financial security, how to pay your team, how to budget, how to forecast, how to set goals. It's amazing because when you have financial planning, you're planning literally your success. And then on the third day of the Leap Ahead, we go over how to build a successful team, how to train the team, how to coach the team. So literally everything that you need to be successful is right there. Now, one thing is to attend a seminar like this, and I know you're going to love it. As a matter of fact, we know you're going to love it so much that we guarantee it. So if at the end of the seminar you say, oh, I did not like this, we actually give money back. But ask me, when was the last time we did that? Never. So to give you more proof whether this event is good for you or not, I want to invite you to go to the YouTube channel, InSPAration Management YouTube channel. And there you can see over 100 videos of people just like you who came to the Leap Ahead and how they were able to actually transform their business. As a matter of fact, in one of the videos that you will watch is from Estique Med Spa in Pittsburgh. When we first started working with Linda and Brianna, they were in the red. They were not making any money. And once they started implementing all the business tools from the Leap Ahead and the business strategies from the Leap Ahead, their business has never been stronger. They're on track this year to exceed $4 million in revenue. They have the most amazing membership model. They generate over 6 figures a month just from their membership model. And those are the type of strategies that you will be able to implement and benefit from when you attend the Leap Ahead. Now, I'm doing this webinar for you to give you a head start of what you could actually do immediately after the webinar. But then I would love for you to also check out the Leap Ahead seminar page and see how you can benefit from all the strategies that we will teach and all the systems that we encourage you to implement. So again, the event is January 4th at 4 p.m. Eastern, and it will definitely be a sold out event. So my recommendation would be to go ahead and register now you should probably get on early because we'll probably max out our Zoom capabilities. So you really need to get on early so you can reserve your spot and be able to watch us live. The nice thing about being on a live webinar is that you get to ask questions, participate, and of course, it's a lot more fun to be with everybody at the same time. We'll be having people from all over the world joining us, so I'm serious about registering now. So I'm super excited that you will be joining us. Again, my goal as a business advisor is to arm you with what you need now, that's relevant now, so you can reach a higher level of success. And what a better way to start the new year by joining us to figure out how you can leap into 2022 success. So go ahead and check it out, register, and I will see you on January 4th at 4 p.m. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless. Happy New Year. And until next time, stay inspired.